What can I say about core value awards? I'm going to say just a bit and hand it right over to Karen. I just want to say congratulations to the winners and for everyone that has participated in the program by way of being either and nominated someone or actually received an award this year. Karen, I'm looking to see you on the Zoom.
I'm here.
Somewhere. There she is. All right. It's on you, Karen.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to the best part of our annual holiday tradition, which is our Core Values Awards. Just a reminder that our Core Value Awards, in order to be an awardee, you have to have been nominated by peers or supervisors. Executive team don't make nominations. We receive all of the nominations and then we make a final determination, but people don't get into the process unless a peer or supervisor has nominated them. This was an exceptional year with exceptional stories, and it was very difficult to make some of the decisions. We felt like the nominations were they just really highlighted the hard work and how our values really show during trying times like what we're going through now. So I think you will really enjoy this part of the party. In addition to receiving an actual physical award, you'll see a little picture of it as each award is being announced. Each awardee is going to receive an additional $500 in their professional development budgets in 2021. And the HCHer at Heart is also, is going to receive paid registration or attendance at the next National Healthcare for the Homeless Council Conference, or to a comparable conference of their choice without needing to sort of dig into their own professional development budgets. So we are going to get started going through each value, and then we'll end with the HCHer at Heart. I will say this year, we are also just going to recognize staff who have been core values awardees in years past, who are with us today as well. So first, I'm going to turn it over to Gary, who is going to read and address the core value of dignity.
Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Great party so far. So was gonna go over dignity, and just as a reminder, our core value of dignity stands for fostering respect and compassion. And so past recipients of this award have included CC Underwood, Michelle Martin Jones, Tony Hunter, and Devontae Blount. So those are the past recipients. In terms of who has been nominated this year, so I'm going to read all of the nominees. We have Carol BAEZ, Kenny Willis, Molly Greenberg, Joanna Galat, Eva HENDRIX-SHOVLIN, Karen Bisson, Kristen McKernan, Max Romano, Jessica Friedman, and Rosita Harris. So congratulations to all of the nominees. And now I'll have a few brief words, hopefully not giving any clues as to who the winner will be. This person has helped us strengthen our telephonic access with LEP clients, and they have also been an excellent advocate for this population. They are respectful, compassionate, and demonstrate great empathy when working with our clients. They offer a warm smile to our clients in sometimes what is the middle of seemingly mass confusion. Our clients have shared, I am so thankful that this person called me, and this person is the reason I was able to get a doctor's appointment. They have also reached out for help when clients have expressed urgency with medical needs. One example was a client who had been losing his eyesight and shared that they were afraid of becoming blind and needed help figuring out what to do. This person reached out to a coworker and got them connected with the medical care they needed as soon as possible. This person has fostered respect and compassion through every interaction she makes. I am so thankful that we work with together. This person rocks and glad we have them on our side. It is my pleasure to announce this year that the recipient of the core value of dignity is Carol BAEZ. And with that, Carol, congratulations. Would you like to say a few words?
Yeah, I would like to say thank you to everyone. I know I send tons of messages every day to tons of people asking for information, and also pass this request from the clients. I want to say thank you to Dr. Romano, that's always there for me and always willing to help. Iris Leviner, Rosita, every one of my coworkers. And I wanted to say something, I want to keep it short, but it makes a big change in my life to have a meaningful job. I know the difference now because I know that every day that I connect myself and I talk with the people, I'm giving something back to the community. And also, I know that I do my best to treat people with respect, the same respect and dignity that I hope people treat me. So this is something I try to do every day, and it's something I know mostly of my coworkers do every day. So thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Carolyn. Congratulations. And so our next presentee will be Adrian, who will be presenting authenticity.
Hi, everyone. Let's see, I'm hoping you all can hear me, or will tell me if you can't. Okay, so I'm presenting the award for authenticity. Authenticity is the practice of open and honest communication. Let's see, I'm gonna tell you our past recipients. Let's see, Jan Vertis, Pam Ford, and Selena Hui are past Authenticity Award recipients. And then I want to share with you everyone who was nominated for this award this year. So we have Rosita Harris, Joanna Diamond, Christine Tran Boynes, Justine Wright, Iris Leviner, Jessica Holmes, Debbie Brown, Ross Hackett, and William Reed. And congratulations to everyone for being nominated. It was a real joy to read all of the nominations. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about the person that was nominated, so you can all guess in your heads who it is. So I'm really excited to present the Core Value Award for Authenticity to a colleague who I've worked with since the beginning of my time at HCH. At least I can't remember HCH without them. And I've been lucky enough to get to hear their supervisors and colleagues absolutely glow about them the whole time. One colleague says that this person is genuine and approaches everything they do with their whole heart and dedication. Their positive attitude encourages everyone around them. And sometimes just seeing them makes us happy. The person is an advocate through and through. They're unafraid to speak up, especially when there's an unjust situation. Another colleague notes how much she looks forward to the days when she gets to take care of patients with this person, no matter where they are working together. This person has usually already thought about and addressed the client's needs above and beyond the visit at hand, providing letters for work, tracking down shoes, a hat, finding a referral. And this person's even keel and compassion are infectious, and that she really shows up as herself every time. Another colleague says that this person is simply fantastic. They truly meet each person, whether it's staff or patient, where they are, and treats everyone with respect and understanding. One particular situation was brought up where two young people where the team was trying to get two young people back to a safe place, and this person spent hours speaking with them, offering them safety while they were waiting for help. And without this person's authentic and thoughtful interactions, we might not have been able to get the clients to a safer place. I'll make a brief aside that I'm sort of focusing on authenticity at work, but across the board, when asked about this person, colleagues say that on a personal level, they just really enjoy being around this person because of their personal authenticity as well. And the last part is the colleague who nominated this person says that this person has worked since the beginning of the pandemic in the garage, supporting patients who are infected with COVID or concerned about their risk of infection. This person's role in supporting testing has been crucial to the agency's ability to offer this service. And this person has helped coordinate transportation and shelter for those with nowhere else to go during a pandemic. She comes to work every day, ready to help each person as they come. She is steady, passionate, and authentic. So the core value award for authenticity goes to our mobile clinic community health worker, Justine Wright.
Oh my goodness. Thank you guys so much. First of all, hello to everyone. Those were some really, really kind thoughts and stories, and I really appreciate my colleagues for thinking of me in that way. I just wanted to say that I'm truly honored to receive the Authenticity Award from an organization that I am proud to be a part of. I am only as great as the team of folks that I work with daily. I just want to thank John for being my right-hand man. I want to thank Laura Wolf, my go-to for everything. And thank you to the team of COVID folks, Garcia, Tyler Cornell, Iris, Marinette, Modessa, Dr. Max, Dr. Gray. And last but not least, I want to say thank you to my supervisor, Lillian, for all that you are to me. I am truly, truly grateful for this acknowledgement. Thank you.
Thank you, Justine. I trimmed it back, just so you know, all the nice comments.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I've totally forgotten who I'm passing it to. Oh, I'm passing it to LaWanda.
Hi, everybody. I'm going to be talking to you about hope. And hope is finding and focusing on people's strengths. So we can advance it. Great, thank you. So our prior hope recipients have been Darren Coley, Mona Hadley, and Terry Clark. This year, our 2020 nominees for the Hope Core Value Award were TJ Bagley, Adrienne Burgess Bromley, Johanna Galat, Molly Greenberg, Kat Lee, and Marnette Valson. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this person who's going to be the recipient. You know, when I think about this person, I really envision this person as like the poster child for hope. This person is always, and I do mean always, able to see the best in our clients. Not only does this person do this, but it's really the way that this person does it. It's quite infectious, and it's also equally intentional. This person is always actively looking for the good that resides in others. And that clearly shines through in this person's work day in and day out. This person is steady and consistent and trustworthy. This person brings so much light to our clients and really props them up when they are down and sometimes not at their best. This person is tremendously thoughtful and takes the time to really get to know people. And I mean, know them by hearing them and seeing them and advocating for them. This person is so critical to the work that we do, and clients absolutely love this person. This person gives the gift of family to our clients when they might not otherwise have it. this is someone who I hold in the highest regard and love quite a bit. Our 2020 Hope Core Value recipient is Kat Lee. Congrats, Kat. Very well deserved. Would you like to say a few words?
Oh, wow. Sorry, I didn't realize I was on mute. Thank you, Lawanda.
You're so welcome.
Yeah, thank you so much. I really want to thank my team, Supportive Housing and Connect, the best teams. But really, it's your energy and your spirit that keeps me going every day at HCH. And this year has been a rough year for all of us. So I just want to say how grateful I am to have been able to get through this year with the support of you all. And I just really appreciate all of you guys. So thank you so much.
Thank you for all your hard work. So I'm going to hand it over to Karen, who's going to talk with you about our justice nominees.
All right, guys, time for justice, which means to, for us, means to build a healthy community that includes everyone. And let me tell you who we have, who are prior recipients. Leonard Croft and Lillian Amaya. So here are our nominees for justice this year. Lisa Hoffman, Tony Hunter, Lauren Ojeda, Erica Frasca, Debbie Brown, Kristen McKernan, Malcolm Williams, Lindsay Wickert, and Danielle Brody. So I try really hard to not give away who the person is. So I've taken out a lot of specifics, but there were a number of different, to Adrian's point, there were a number of nominations for this person that were sort of were across values. I'm going to try and sum it up here. This person epitomizes the core value of justice. They tackle every project, task, and process thinking about how it impacts clients and staff. They care tremendously about ensuring our systems are just, equitable, and they do so with care and compassion. This person is a force, says one of their colleagues. They keep everyone involved, organized, and on top of a dizzying amount of detail and changes. At a time when we are not comfortable and things are not fun, this person's dedication and careful thought have been critical to keeping our clinics going. This person does not hesitate to take charge of their assignments. They work tirelessly to ensure that every interested party's voice is heard, collaboration takes place, and deadlines are met. Quote, working alongside this person has been awe-inspiring. Their ability to think about clients, staff, and community has taught me so much about how to be a better member of the healthcare for the homeless community. Their empathy and commitment constantly blows me away. People who give so much of themselves and go so far to ensure other people are supported are rare these days. And so the Justice Core Value awardee for 2020 is Lisa Hoffman. Lisa, would you like to say something?
Thanks everyone so much. That was really, really nice. I have written something short that I'll read here. On the side of our building, there's a really beautiful mural that states a clear mission of justice. Everyone deserves to go home. Every time I come into work and I see that mural, it is the first of countless daily inspirations I see as representations of the justice part of our community's mission. This year has been full of hardship for everyone, and witnessing the love, courage, and resolve of those around me, both staff and clients alike, and their unwavering pursuit of justice is what keeps me going. Thank you for recognizing my efforts in this area. I'm humbled by and grateful for our collaborative efforts to build and maintain a healthy and inclusive community. Thank you again.
Thank you, Lisa, and congratulations. Big congratulations to you.
Thank you.
And now I'm going to turn it over back to Gary for the core value of passion.
Okay, thank you. So for us, passion is referring to challenging ourselves and the world around us. Prior recipients of this award include Stephanie Ferentz, Andrea Shearer, and Kristen McKernan. And now for the full list of 2020 nominees, we have Monica Martin, Joanna Diamond, Amelia Jackson, Aaron Perseghin, Kate O'Bannon, Rosita Harris, Max Romano, Catherine Fowler, Lisa Hoffman, Molly Greenberg, and Stephanie Donlin. So congrats to all of the nominees. Again, as we got to read through these, they're really a joy to read through. I'm going to do my best. Karen did a pretty good job disguising hers. I don't know if I did quite the same, but I'm going to try. Although they may seem quiet and reserved to those who don't know this person well, this individual demonstrates passion for the agency's mission in the fullest sense of the word. They are enthusiastic about solving complex problems in order to support and enhance the agency's mission. It takes a lot of work behind the scenes to make sure that our systems are available when needed. This person's passion is making sure the agency can take simple functions for granted. Like electricity, it's there when you need it. When the COVID-19 pandemic hit, Healthcare for the Homeless did not have a business continuity plan. Luckily, we had this person. There were a lot of issues that needed to be resolved in order to support 2/3 of our agency staff transitioning to remote work in a very short period of time. Without the technical knowledge and perseverance of this person, the agency would not have been able to sustain operations as safely as we did. Simultaneously during this time, the person stepped up to help run a department that was in search of a new director. This person's quiet passion, dogged determination, initiative, and willingness to solve problems resulted in a resilient system that was able to meet the demands of the agency so that we could continue to seamlessly serve our clients. It is my pleasure to share that this year's recipient of the core value of passion is Aaron Perseghin. Aaron?
Yeah. Hey, everybody. Yeah, I got to be honest. I never expected to win one of these things. And from my perspective, there are so many other people who deserve this more than me. So I'm feeling very humbled and grateful. And I just want to say thank you to all the staff who fight for our clients every day, and who bring so much compassion to our work. That fight for a better world is something that I see myself as part of, even if I don't get to do the hands-on work that you all do every day.
Thank you, Aaron. Very deserving, and we appreciate all your hard work and all the nominees' hard work in a very challenging year. And now I'm going to turn it over to LaWanda for balance.
All right, thank you. So I'm going to be talking to you about balance, which means to care for ourselves and help others to do the same. So our past core value winners for balance have been Kenny Willis, Bill Sheldon, Ebony Hicks, Deidre Hoey, and Ariane Jennings. This year's nominees have been, or were rather, Ross Hackett, Winona China, Tony Hunter, Laura Garcia, Eva HENDRIX-SHOVLIN, Elizabeth Zurich, and Garrett Mosby. So I'm going to share a little bit about this particular person and some of the things that colleagues have said about them. One of the things that come to mind has been during this pandemic in particular, this person has had to sort of relearn and recreate ways to connect with clients to really make sure that they receive life-saving services. This person has had an abundance of knowledge and really always has, but has really stepped up to share this with all of their colleagues in the agency in general, and really had a strong knowledge of social systems and is always willing to sort of be there for their peers. A colleague notes in particular that clients throughout the agency have reported leaving HCH feeling a little bit more hopeful and having balance in their lives after meeting with this individual. Their spirit is one of the things that sort of enhances those interactions with them when they're coming into the clinic. This person carries around a joy with them that actually moves with them as they move through the agency and helps to sort of give balance to people. I think both clients and colleagues in moments of loneliness, is particularly for individuals who are experiencing homelessness. And this person's calm and their steady presence and their great sense of humor has really been an attribute, I think, to many through this particular time. Not to mention, this person's voice is as lovely as a songbird and absolutely melts all of our hearts. Our 2020 Balance Core Value winner is Eva HENDRIX-SHOVLIN. Thank you, Eva. Thank you for all your work.
Yeah.
Would you like to say a few words?
As you can see, I wrote a complete novel in response. But I am so surprised, honestly. I know so many of us have felt off balance and been searching for our center during 2020 and all of the challenges. I just want to say a special thank you to the case management team who have just been such an inspiration to me. So many of my colleagues are just experiencing taking care of so many beyond themselves. And it's a pleasure to be part of this agency. Thank you so much for encouraging me to follow my own joy and self-care. I can't say enough about how honored I am to be recognized, and thank you all so much.
You are very welcome, Eva. Very welcome. I'm gonna hand it over to Kevin, who's gonna present the HCHR at Heart.
Thank you, LaWanda. It is my pleasure to introduce our HCHR at Heart. Dignity, authenticity, hope, justice, passion, balance. These are very much the values that define us as an agency. This award is given every year to a staff member nominated by their peers who best embodies all 6 of them. Now, this particular recipient was nominated by their peers 5 times across multiple categories. Consistent themes included an amazing way of communicating in an open and honest way that I really admire, diplomacy, client-centeredness, commitment to quality, enthusiasm, positivity, resilience, willing to name what doesn't work and to praise what does. One nominator writes, "I'm not sure where we would be without their bright, fierce energy." They frequently encounter clients who are not at their best. They treat clients and staff with respect and compassion, doing whatever is needed in the moment to facilitate client care needs of the day. They not only show up to the clinic each day, but they have high expectations for themselves and the team. They lead by example, regularly working hard, showing our clients love, compassion, and quality care, always going the extra mile when it comes to events like flu and the coat drive, sitting in on interviews, reinforcing communication to streamline workflows. I will note that I neglected, you saw the list of past nominees. The nominees for this year are Tyler Cornell, Barbara DePietro, Catherine Fowler, Johanna Galat, Laura Garcia, Molly Greenberg, Rosita Harris, Kat Lee, Michelle Martin Jones, Cynthia Turner, Cece Underwood. The person that I was describing has a history of military service and often repeats, if I'm not 30 minutes early, I am late. This person's a team player, works tirelessly to keep the medical clinic running, no task that they won't do, a steady force to those around her. I've had the chance this past year personally to observe this person in action. I've held a camera up in their face and they indulged me. I watched this person once in the lunchroom trying to get a moment of peace, trying to solve a family emergency, I think by telephone, still giving advice to someone else about what was happening in the clinic, never breaking a sweat. It's a true honor to present the 2020 HCHer at Heart Award to Rosita Harris.
Yay!
I am really surprised to hear what people had to say about me, and I appreciate all of the positive comments about me. I just love this job. I really love this job. I love the people that I work with, and I don't think people know that I have been where some of our patients are, and I really am grateful. I have a great amount of gratitude to come in and be able to help people every day. Congratulations to everybody else. There were some great nominees, people that I feel like really deserve to be recognized as well. It's just a great place to work. I have great colleagues, great people that work under me, people that support me, that are my supervisors, Catherine, Laura, Adrian, the whole, all of the providers, all of the CMAs, the CAAs. I just really appreciate everyone that I come in contact with in this agency. They're just, everyone is just positive, and it's all about the patient. So that's all I have to say.
Thank you, Rosita, and everyone join me in thanking her and thanking all of our core values recipients. Congratulations to Carol, Justine, Kat, Lisa, Aaron, Eva, Rosita,